रशिया युक्रेन झुजा उपरांत पुराय संवसारभर इंधनाक लागून संकश्ट आयला. देखून रशिया कडल्यान उण्या दरांत तेल घेवप हो प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांचो निर्णय तोखणाय करपा सारको आसा अशें म्हणीत केंद्रीय अर्थमंत्री निर्मला सीतारामन हाणें प्रधानमंत्र्याची तुस्त तोखणाय केली.
Crude oil, buying of crude, supplying and making sure the economy also benefits is seen through this route. But today when we are, since March, since February of this year, in a situation where global prices were going beyond anyone's affordability, and we take the call in November once and again in April, I think, or early June, of reducing the price. To some extent, of course, it can't be as much as each one of us would want it to be. And at that stage, to take a very strong political decision. I respect the Prime Minister for his courage on this. Get it from Russia. Get it from Russia because they are willing to give you at discount. And how speedily did we ramp it up? Where we were otherwise, our entire import otherwise had only 2% or probably sometimes even lesser than 2% of Russian component into our crude basket. It was ramped up to almost 12 to 13%, all within a couple of months that we are talking about. And why? Why do we need to? Yes, we've cut down the price somewhat, but can it be further strengthened? Can the burden on the Indian exchequer for having to import that much more, at that much more price, can it be handled with a lot more sense of prudence? Will there be a political implication on it? Will there be a political fallout because of that? And that's where I give credit to the statesmanship of the Prime Minister to make sure globally that we did keep our relationship with all countries, but yet managed till today to get the Russian fuel, which is what Japan is doing today.